Hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today the Queen Bee and me are going to take you on a walking tour of Arizona Oasis RV Resort in Ehrenburg, Arizona, located at exit 1 on I-10, just on the Colorado River on the Arizona side. Here we are at Arizona Oasis RV Resort in Ehrenburg, Arizona on I-10, which is right there. You can see the trucks going by. They're going really slow because there's an agriculture inspection station just on the other side of the river. It's an RPI park, which is how we know it, and it is directly across the street from a pioneer cemetery that was first used sometime after June of 1862. Some of Arizona's earliest pioneers, people of every race and moral persuasion, lie here in eternal peace. Last burial was in April of '88. To the memory of our unknown brothers, lost Dutchman colony, East Clampus Vitus. And that is a vulture. Ehrenburg Cemetery. Monument built to perpetuate the memory of pioneers, trailblazers, and adventurers that rest in these unmarked graves. Margaret Daniel. Father Jesus Daniel, Mother Margarita Daniel, Josephine and Ephraim Daniel. Wow, those are some impressive spiky ass plants. Mother Jessie Edwards, 1872 to 1911. Fishhook barrel cactus. See? Look at that. Very, very stiff. Anywho, there we go. So when you pull into the park, the two right-hand lanes are the check-in lanes, and the through traffic lane is the outside, which is opposite from most parks I've been at. But so you know, check in through traffic. And here's the office where you check in. They got free coffee, water, a few snacks, souvenirs, and here's where you're going to check in and talk to the nice ladies behind the counter. Here we are at the pool gate. You got the kiddie pool, seating areas, the big pool, and the hot tub. And that's the office. Men's restroom and shower room, changing room is this side. Women's is over there. I like that they have a nice big clock that you can read from anywhere in here. And here's the entrance to the park. You go down, park. I'll show you some of the rental cabins and the central building. So here's something I haven't seen in another RV park, is locked covered storage that is a giant solar array, because, you know, Arizona. They have a boat launch, and right next to the storage area is a cabin rental area with a nice big green lawn in the middle. This seems like it would be great for a large group or several smaller groups. Little picnic table in the palms down here by the river. I think that's called the pirate ship or something like that for the kiddies. A little kiddie playland. A couple more picnic tables. That's the end of the park right there. The beach area is golf cart accessible. People drive their golf carts from the park down here all the time, park them, or just drive back and forth and check out the river and then So here's the section where you can park your rig. It's covered. It's a giant solar panel. See all the controls and everything up there. There's a brand new park model being installed right there. They've got the tires off. One of several enclosed dog parks. Well, dog run with grass. Grass is nice. So many dog runs just have gravel or sand. So they do have some rental cabins, and they happen to be little rustic log cabins. None of the windows are uncovered. Those are all got their curtains up, so I can't show you the inside, but got a little covered porch with a swing, picnic table, AC unit. There's a clubhouse, outside seating. Over here is the restroom facilities, central restroom facilities. They have a couple coffee makers, shower rooms, you know, shower, a couple shelves, close it, you got some hooks, locks. Laundry room, $1.75 a load. They ask that you only do 2 loads at a time per guest. And right next door, there's a little lounge library. Somebody's building a puzzle. Got a couch, a library, a bunch more puzzles. So as I mentioned, there is a park model with a open house. So we're gonna go there. All right, the hostess has graciously let us go for a walkthrough. So let's go take a look. An example of what your porch can look like. Their porch has shade cloth and netting, so that's a good idea too. Here we are, the living room, the kitchen, bathroom with shower, pocket door into the bedroom. This is a king-size bed with plenty of space around. A small closet, drawers. There's a loft, and this is the loft area. You have a bed up here, several beds, very short chairs, what have you. Kid hangout, and back in the living room. Okay, any questions? There's your information. And back out to the porch. Thank you, Laura.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Yeah, what you doing? Hi. Hi. Haven't seen you before. Hi. What's that? No? You just want pets? Okay. Meow. Yeah. So here we are down by the river. All the sites along the river are back in. They're all 50 amp water sewer with picnic table, a concrete patio. It's graveled, but again, otherwise it's pull-throughs. So a lot of people were laughing because we have the Watcher cats, and this window up here, this is the bedroom in the front, but there's usually a cat in there. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you from the Queen Bee and me.